Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 8a of chapter number 8, that is more on fractions. Now I shall start from exercise 8b. Okay, so see the first question, exercise 8b, chapter 8, exercise 8b, exercise 8b, exercise 8b. Okay, so see the question, multiply. So earlier we have done what? Earlier we have done with one whole number and with one fraction number we have multiplied. Now both the numbers are what? Fractions. Both are fractions. Earlier we have multiplied a fraction and a whole number. Now both are what? Fractions. So sometimes you will get both are mixed fraction also. Fraction, mixed fraction, like this. Okay. So see the first question, what is there? 8b. So question number 1a, you see. One by 4 by 3 by 5. 1 by 4 by 3 by 5. 1 by 4 by 3 by 5. 1 by 4 by 3 by 5. Now by means here the question is said what? Multiply. Multiply. So 1 by 4 in place of by I shall what? Replace it by multiplication. 3 by 5. Now as like earlier in the last class whatever I have said that first you what? Multiply numerator and denominator. Now you see whether I can what? Now you see whether this numerator and denominator get cancelled or not. That means what? Whether this can be taken into lowest form or not. Okay. So 5 cannot divide 3, 4. So these all are what? This one only what? This one only what? Even these are prime numbers. What numbers? So what we cannot multiply? So 3 1s are 3, 4 5s are 20. Whenever you cannot multiply, then what? At that time what? We multiply numerator, what? And denominator. That is the what? Rule. Okay. So now come to question number. So question number B, what is there? So see question number B. 12 by 25 by 5 by 6. 12 by 25 by 5 by 6. So what? 12 by 25 into 5 by 6. Now see whether they get cancelled or not. Yes, you see in this case they get what? Cancelled. How? You see 12 into 5, 25 into 6. So with this denominator I can cancel this one. 12 6 2s are 12. Okay, then 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So remain 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2. So 2 by 5, that is the what? Required answer. 2 by 5 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number C. So in question number C, what is there? 3 by 7 by 28 by 45. So what? 3 by 7 into 28 by 45. So 7 4s are 28. Okay. 3 15s are 45. Now 4 by 15 what? We cannot divide further. So that is the what? Answer. Okay. So now come to question number 2. 2 1 by 3 by 6. 2 1 by 3 by 6. You see one mixed fraction and another what? A whole number. One mixed fraction and a whole number. One mixed fraction, sometimes you will find what? Both are mixed fraction. Sometimes one mixed fraction, one fraction, one mixed fraction, one whole number. The composition of all you will get. Okay. So now come to question number 2. So come to question number 2. What is there? So in question number 2, what is there? 2a 2 1 by 3 by 6. So first you break this mixed fraction. 2 3 are 6, 7 7 by 3 into 6. Now 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. So 7 into 2. It is what? 14. Okay. 7 into 2. It is what? 14. Now come to B. What is there? 3 3 by 7 into 21. 3 3 by 7 into what? 21. So first you break 3 7 are 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 by 7 into what? 21. Okay. By 21 I am not writing by, I am directly writing the answer into. Okay, you write question. So now 7 3 are 21. Now you multiply 24 into 3. You will get 3 4 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and 1 7. Now come to C. What is there? 5 2 by 9. Then by means into 12. Okay. Now 9 5 are 45. 45, 46, 47. 9 5 are 45, 46, 47. By 9 into what? 12. Now you can cancel this one with C3. 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. Now remain what? 47 into 4 by 3. Okay. Now what? We cannot divide further. I need to what? Multiply. So 7 4 are 7 4 are what? 28 and remain what? 2. And 4 4 are 16, 17, 18 by 3. 188 by 3. Now you divide this one. 3 6 are 18. Remain what? 8. Again 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. So 3 2 are 6. Remain 2. So it will be what? If you take into mixed fraction, then 3, then here 62, then here what? 2. And that is the what? Required answer. 62 2 by 3. 62 2 by 3 is the required answer. Okay. So now come to question number 3. 5 by 8 into 7 by 17. So both are fractions. 5 by 8 and what? 5 by 8 and 7 by 17. 9 by 25 into 3 by 4. 10 21 10 by 221 and 11 by 15. So let us check. Okay. Now what? Now come to question number 3. Question number 3a. What is there? 3a. It is what? 5 by 8. 5 by 8 into what? 7 by 11. So 5 into 7. 5 into 7 by 8 into what? 11. Now check whether I can get cancelled. Whether they get cancelled or not. They do not get cancelled. So I need to multiply. So 5 7 are 35 and 88 11 are 8 11 are 88. So that is the required answer, and it is in what? Proper fraction. So no need of converting into mixed fraction. So I cannot convert into what? Mixed fraction. Now come to what? 9 by 25 into 3 by 4. 9 by 25 into 3 by 4. You see in this case also what? In this case I cannot cancel anything. 25 cannot, 4 this. So I cannot cancel. So 9 into 3 and 25 into 4. Whenever they do not get cancelled, at that time we multiply numerator and what? Denominator. So 9 3 are 27 and 25 4 are 100. Okay. Now come to C. What is there? 10 by 200, 121 into 11 by 15. Okay. So you see this one I can cancel. 11 jar 100, 1 jar 11, 11 11 jar what? 121. This both two I can cancel with 5, 5 3 jar and 5 2 jar. Okay. So 2 1 jar 2. Here remain 2 into 1. Here remain 11 into what? 3. So 2 into 1 means 2. 11 by 11 into 3 is what? 33. So 2 by 33 is the required answer. Okay. So 2 by 33 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number 4. 8 by 9 into 27 by 16. Okay. And 3 by 5 into 21 by 12. 5 by 4 into 16 by 15. Okay. So see question number 4. What is there? So in question number 4A, okay, 8 by 9 into 27 by 16. Okay, so 8 by 9 into 27 by 16. Here I can cancel. 8 1 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 9 1 jar 9, 9 3 jar 21. Remain what? 1 into 3 by 1 into 2. That is what? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 I can take into mixed fraction. 2 1 jar 2, remain 1. 1 whole and half. 1 whole and half. Okay. Now come to B. What is there? 3 by 5 into 21 by 12. 3 by 5 into what? 3 by 5 into 21 by 12. 3 by 5 into 21 by 3 by 5 into 21 by 12. So what? Now you see 3 into 21 by 5 into 12. Okay. So what? 3 into 21 plus 5 into 12. Okay. So you check whether they get cancelled or not. 5 21, 3 12. 3 1 jar 3, 3 4 jar 12. And no more cancellation. So 21 by 5 into 4, it is what? 21 by 20. So 21 by 20, it is an improper fraction. So let me take 21 jar 20, remain what? 1. 1 by 20. Okay. Now come to C. See what is there? 5 by 4 into 16 by 15. So this one very easy. I can multiply 5 into 4, 4 into 15. Now cancel. 5 into 16. Okay. So 4 1 jar 4, 4 4 jar 16. 5 1 jar 5, 5 3 jar 15. So remain 1 into 4 by 1 into 3. It is what? 4 by 3. Now take into mixed fraction. So 3, then 3 1 jar 3 and remain 1. 1 whole 1 by 3. 1 whole 1 by 3. So that is the required answer. 1 whole 1 by 3 is the what? Required answer. So these are nothing but you just multiply and cancel. Now come to question number 5. Okay. So these all are same. Okay. So from 5 I shall show only 2. These all are same process. Okay. So come to question number 5. So in question number 5, what is there? So question number 5, 5A, what is there? 3 1 by 6 into 18 by 19. Okay. So what? First you break 3 6 are 18 and 1 19, 19 by 6 into 18 by 19, 19 19 get cancelled, 6 1 are 6, 6 6 3 are 18. So answer is what? 3. Okay, answer is what? 3. Now come to which question? The long one I shall show. Okay, come to C. See what is there? C 2 3 by 10 into 15 by 23. Okay, so 10 punjar 20 20, it is what? 23. So 23 by 10 into 15 by 23. So 23 23 what? Get cancelled. Now remain 10, 5 2 jar 10, 5 3 jar 15. So what it is coming? What? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 I can take 2 1 jar 2, remain 1. So 1 whole and what? 1 by 2. 1 whole and 1 by 2. Okay, now come to 6. 6a. So 6a what is there? 6a, that is what? 3 by 13 into 2 1 by 6. So first to break this fraction, 3 by 13 into 2 6 that 12 and 1 13, 13 by 6. So this one you can get cancelled. Now what? 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, half. Half is the what? Answer. Okay. Now come to Now come to 6b. Okay, 5 by 16 into 3 1 by 5. 5 by 16 into what? 3 1 by 5. Five by 16 into 3 1 by 5. 6b. 5 by 16. 5 by 16 into 3 1 by 5. 5 by 16, sorry, question number B. 5 3 by 8 into 5 by 16 into 3 1 by 5. 3 1 by 5. So here you see 5 by 16 into 3 5 are 15 and 1 16 by 5. So 16 16 get cancelled. 15 also 5 also 5 what? Get cancelled. So only 1 in every one, it is what? 1. So if you multiply 1 into 1 you get what? Again 1. Okay. So answer is what? 1. Now come to C. What is there? C. 9 by 50 into 8 1 by 3. So it is what? 9 by 50 into 8 1 by 3. So what? Just to 9 by 50 into 8 3 jar 24 and 1 25. 25 by 3. Now you see I can cancel 3 3 jar 9, 5 25 1 jar 25, 25 2 jar 50. Okay. So what? 3 into 1 by 2 into 1. Okay. This is what? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 I can take into mixed fraction like 2 1 are 2, remain 1. So 1 and 1 whole and half. 1 whole and half. Okay. 1 whole and half. So that is what? 6C. Okay. Now come to what? 7. 15 1 by 12 into 15, 6 3 by 8 into 12, 39 into 3, 39 into 3, 8 by 13. Okay. So now come. So now come to question number Now come to question number 7. So question number 7, what is there? So question number 7, 5 1 by 12 into 15. Okay. So first you convert 5 to jar 5 12 jar 60, 61 by 12 into 15. Now you get cancel. 3 4 jar 12, 3 5 jar 15. So 61 into 5 by 4. So 5 1 jar 5, 5 6 jar 30. 305 by 4. 305 by what? 4. So you divide this one. 305 by 4. If you divide, then 4 8 4 7 are 28. 28 remain what? Here 2. So I shall take 25. Then 4 6 are 24 remain 1. So it will be what? It will be what? 4. Then here 76 and here what? 1. Okay. Now come to B. B, what is there? 6 3 by 8 into what? 12. 6 3 by 8 into 12. So what? First you break. 6 8 are 48, 49 50 51. 51 by 8 into what? 12. First you what? Multiply this one, then you add. These things we have done earlier also. Now cancel. I can cancel 4 2 jar 8, 3, 4 2 jar 8, 6 2 jar 12, 2 2 jar 4, 2 3 jar 6. Now what? I cannot further divide. So 51 into 3 by 2. So 3 1 jar 3, 5 3 jar 15 by 2. 153 by 2. 153 by what? 2. Now divide it. 153 by 2. So 2 7 jar 14. Remain what? 12. So 2 6 jar 12. Remain what? 13 remain here what? 2 6 jar 12. So remain here 1. Okay. So it will be what? 276 by 76 1 by 2. 76 what? 1 by 2. Now come to C. What is there? 39 into 3 8 by 13. 39 into 3 8 by 13. It will be what? 39 into 13. 13 3 jar 39 plus 8. 47. So 47 by what? 13. Now 13 3 jar. Okay. Now remain what? 3 into what? 47. So 3 7 are 21. 3 7 are 21. Remain 1. 3 4 are 12 and 1 13. 1 3 1. 1 3 1 is the what? Required answer. Sorry. 3 4 are 12 and 3 7 are 21. Remain 2. 3 4 are 12. 13 14. It will be what? 1 4 1. Correct it. 1 4 1. It will be what? 1 4 1 4 1. Okay. Now come to question number 8. So question number 8, there are 6 questions. I shall solve 4 questions. Okay. These all are same. Okay. So see question number 1 first. 8 1. So question number 8. Question number 8A. Question number 8, what is that? 4 1 by 2. 4 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 3. 4 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 3. So it will be what? 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. This one 9. 4 2s are 8. Then upper 1, numerator 1, 9. 9 by 2. Into 2 3s are 6. 7 by 3. Now what? Yes, they get cancel. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Remain 3 into 7 by 2. So 21 by 2. Okay. 21 by 2. So it will be 10 2s are 20. Remain 1 21. Okay. Now come to question number B. So in B what is there? 3 1 by 4 into 1 1 by 3. 1 1 by 3. So what? 3 4 are 12 and 1 13. 13 by 4 into 3 1 are 3 and 1 4. 4 by 3. So 4 4 will get cancelled same and remain what? 13 by 3. Now what? You divide it. 3 4 are 12 and 1. Okay, 13. 4 1 by 3 is the required answer. Now come to question number C. So question number C, what is there? 7 3 by 5 into 2 7 by 19. Okay. So it is what? 3 5 jar 5 7 jar 35. So 35 36 37 38. 38 by 5 into 19 2 jar 38. 38 plus 7 45. This is what? 45 by what? 19. 45 by what? 19. So 38 into 45. Okay, by 5 into what? 19. So this one I can cancel. 19 1 jar 19. 19 2 jar 38. 5 1 jar 5. 5 9 jar 45. So answer is what? 9 2 into 9. 2 into 9 it is what? 18. 2 into 9 it is what? 18. Okay. So from last I shall show only two. These all are same. So come to D and F. Okay. Come to D and F. Come to D and F. Okay. So D what is there? 8 5 by 11 into 2 1 by 5. Okay. These all are 8. Okay. So 8 11 are 88. 89 90 90 89 90 90 91 92. 92 by 11. Okay. So what? 11 8 are 88. 88. Okay. 88 plus 5. 93. That is what? 93. Okay. So what? 93 by 11 into 11 by 5. How? 5 2 are 10 and 1 11. So 11 get cancelled. Okay. Now what? 93 by 5. So what? 93 by what? 5. Now 5. Now what? If you divide with 5, then 5 18 are what? 90, remain 3. 93. Okay. So if you divide, you will get. Okay. As like earlier. Okay. Now come to E. E what is there? 9. E not, come to 10. Okay. Sorry, come to F. Last one you do. Last one, let me show both are fractions. So 10 1 by 2 into 2 3 by 7. So it is what? 10 2 are 20 20 21 by 2 into 3 7 are 21. 21 plus 3 it is 24. 24 by 7. So this one 2 1 are 2, 2 12 are 24, 7 1 are 7, 7 3 are 21. So 12. So what? Here what? 3 into what? 12. And 1 into 1 it is 1. So I am not writing. So answer is what? 36. Wait. 10 1 by 2. 2 3 by 7. 2 3 by 7. Let me check. 10 2 are 20. 10 2 are what? 21 by 2. Okay. Then 20 and 2 3 by 7. Yes. Wrong. It is wrong. To correct it. Okay. So what? 10 to the 20, 21 by 2 into what? 21 by 2 into what? 7 to the 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 by 7. Now you see 3 1 7 under 7, 7 3 are 21. Now I cannot get what? Now this cannot get further divided. So 3 into 17 by 2. So 51 by 2. 17 3 is 51. 51 by 2. Now what? You take into mixed fraction. So how to take? Yes, 51 by 2. 2 2s are 4, remain 1. 2 5s are 10, remain 1. So 25 whole 1 by 2. 25 whole what? 1 by 2 is the what required answer. So 8F. So almost all done. Okay, 1 or 2 left. Almost all done. Now come to 8C. Now let move to what? Exercise 8C. So in exercise 8C, what is there? So what? 1 by 3 of 21. Of means what? In place of again what? I shall use what? Multiplication. 1 by 3 of 21. That means what? 21. The 1 by 3 is of 21. So come to exercise 8C. So exercise 8C, what is there? Question number 1. A. 1 by 3 of 21. 1 by 3 of 21. 1 by 3 of 21. Okay. So 1 by 3 into 21. Okay. So what? Now cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So 1 into 7, it is what? 7. Okay. Now come to B. B, what is there? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 into what? 2 by 5 of 40. Of 40. Of means what? Into. 2 by 5 into what? 40. So it is what? 5 8s are 40 and 2 into 8, it is what? 16. Okay. Now come to C. C, what is there? 3 by 8 of 80. 3 by 8 of what? 3 by 8 of 80. It will be what? 3 by 8 into what? 80. Now what? You cancel it. 8 1s are 8, 8 10s are what? 80. So 3 into 10, it is what? 30. Okay. Now come to D. D, what is that? 3 by 4 of 100. So it will be 3 by 4 into 100. Okay. Now you get cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 25s are 100. Okay. Or you can what? You can do like this with 2, you get cancelled like this. Also you can do. Okay. So 3 into 25. So 3. So it is what? 75. If you multiply then 75. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 75. Okay. Now come to E. 5 by 12 of 30, 5 by 12 of 30, 7 by that means what? Of means what? 7 by 15 of 80, how much? We need to find out of 80, 7 by 15, the fraction 7 by 15 is how much? That we what need to find. Okay. So now come to question number E. 1, these are 1, all are 1. 1E. Now 1E, what is there? 5 by 12 into what? 30. Of means into, okay, right one. Okay. So 5 by 12 into what? 30. 5 by 12 into 30. So you get cancel. 6 to jar 12 and 15 to jar 30. Now with 3 to jar 6, 3, 5 jar 15. So remain what? 5 into 5 by 2. It is what? 25 by 2. 25 by what? 25 by 2. Wait, 7 by 15 of 80. 7 by 15 of 30 not. Oh yes, it is correct. E. Now what? Take into mixed fraction. If we take into mixed fraction, then 2 12 that 24 1. It is answer. Okay. Now come to this one. B. Okay. So what is there? You see, F 7 by 15 of 7 by 15 of 80. Okay. So this one what? You can cancel with 5. So you see 7 by 15 into 80. So with 5, 5 3 jar, and this one with 5, 5 1 jar 5. Then remain what? 3 5 6 jar. Okay. Now I cannot what further divide. So I need to what? Multiply what? Numerator and what? Denominator. It is what? 112. 16 7 are what? 112. So 112 by what? 112 by 3. Now what? You divide it. 112 by 3. If you divide, then 3 3 are 9. Remain 2. Again 2. Then 3 6 are 18. 3 7 are 21. Remain 1. So it is what? 3 10 37. And in numerator it is what? 1. Now come to question number H. Sorry, question number G. You see what? 9 by 10 of 100. It will be what? 9 by 10 into 100. Okay, 9 by 10 into what? 100. So these all are what? Like this. So 1 0 1 0 you can get cancelled. Okay, here remain only 1. So I can write 9 into 10 by 1. So it is what? 90 by 1 means what? 90. Okay, 90 by 1 means what? 90. Okay, so 90 by 1 means what? 90. And if the 1 is in what? Numerator, then what? We need to write. But if the 1 is in denominator, no need to write, directly write the what? Numerator. Okay, but if 1 is in numerator, then you need to write. 1 by 2 is not 2, but 2 by 1 it is what? 2. Remember that one. 1 by 2 it is not 2, it is wrong. Okay, but 2 by 1 it is what? 2. It is correct. Okay, you remember that one. Now come to what? Question number 2. Earlier it was with what? One whole number. Now it is with what? Fractions. fractions and what mixed fractions. Come to question number 2. So question number 2, what is there? 1 by 2 of 3 by 8. Question number 2a. 1 by 2 of 3 by 8. So 1 by 2 of 3 by 8, that means what? 1 by 2 into 3 by 8. Okay. Now check whether they get cancelled or not. No. Then 1 into 3. Then 2 into what? 8. If that doesn't get cancelled, then numerator multiply and denominator what? Multiply. 3 by 16. Now come to B. In B, what is there? 3 by 5 of what? 15 by 39. 3 by 5 of 15 by 39. So check 3 by 5 into 15 by 39. Okay. So this one I can cancel with 3. 3 1 jar 3, 3 1 jar 3, 3 3 jar 9. Okay. 5 1 jar 5, 5 3 jar 15. So remain what? 3 by 13. So 3 by 13 is the what required answer. Come to C. In C, what is there? 3 by 4. Okay. 3 by 4 into of 3 by 2. 3 2 by 3. 3 2 by 3. 3 2 by 3. Okay. 3 by 4 of 3 2 by 3. So what? First you break this one. 3 by 4 into, you break 3 3 are 9, 10, 11 by 3. Now what? Now check whether they get cancelled or not. Yes. 3 get cancelled. Okay. So 11 by 4 remain. So 11 by 4, that means what? To take into mixed fraction. 4 3 are 12. So 4 2 are 8. It is what? 4 2 are what? 8. 9, 10, 11 remain 3. Okay. So this is the what answer. Now question number D. Okay, D let me show. It's a big number. Okay. 2D I am showing. Okay. These are 2. All are 2. 2D. What? 2 3 by 10 of 40. So it will be what? 2 10 are 20. 23 by 40 into what? Sorry, 23 by 10 into what? 40. Okay. Now what? You cancel it. 10 1 are 10, 10 4 are 40. So 23 into what? 4. So 3 4 are 12, 4 2 are 8 and 1 9. It is what? 92. 92 is the what? Required answer. These are nothing but just you what? Multiply and take into what? Closed form if they are divisible. If they are not divisible, then multiply what? Numerator and what? Denominator. Then you will get the answer. Okay. And if the answer comes in improper fraction, then take into what? Mixed fraction. Now come to question number 3. 1 by 4 of a rupee equals to dash paise. That means what? 1 by 4 of a rupee I need to convert into what? Paise. So I know what? 1 rupee equals to what? 100 paise. So what to to convert into what? Paise? I need to what? Multiply with what? 100. Then it will be what? Then it will be converted into what? Paise. And from paise, if I need to convert into rupee, then I need to divide with what? 100. Okay. So it is what? From rupee to paise. That means what? Into 100. So come to question number 3. Exercise 8C. Exercise 8C, question number 3. So question number 3, you see 3A. Okay, 1/4 of a rupee equals to dash paise. Equals what? Equals to what? Dash paise. Equals to dash paise. Dash paise. Okay. Dash paise. So you see, it will be 1/4 of a rupee. So one thing you do, right? Before that you write, we know 1 rupee equals to what? 100 paise. Therefore 1/4 into 100 will get what? Answer. So 1/4 into 100. So 4 1s are 4, 4 25s are 100. So it is what? So it is what? So 1/4 to 5 rupee means what? 25 paise. That means what? 25 it make what? 50, and again 25 it make what? 50 plus 50 100. So 1/4 means what? 25 paise. So it is what? 25 paise. 25 paise. That means what? Here 25 will be there. Okay, here 25 will be there. Now come to B. Rupees means what? Again same. Number B what? 3/8 of rupees 15. Rupees 15 means again same thing. Equals to how much? Rupees how much? That means what? I do not want to what? Convert, because here what? Nothing given for conversion. What? For conversion I need to what? See how much rupees of 15. 3/8 is how much of 15 rupees. So 3/8 into what? 15 equals to what? So I cannot cancel. So 15 3s are 45/8. Now take into what? Mixed fraction. Okay. So here one thing you write rupees. Okay. And you write what? Rupees and rupees. Okay. So so you take into mixed fraction. 8 5s are 40. Okay, 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. So 8 5s are 40. Then 5. So 5/8. 5/8 is the what? Required answer. Okay, 5/8 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number. Come to question number C. Question number C, it is exact same. Question number D also exact same. Okay. Now C and D you solve. Okay. Now I am for solving question number E and F. Question number E and F I am solving. Okay. C and D you solve. Okay. I am leaving only one for you. I am solving all. Okay. So question number 4 question number C I am solving. Okay. See what is there? 4/5 of a rupee. 4/5 of a rupee. That means what? 4/5 of a rupee. 4/5 of a rupee. That means what? I need to convert into what? Because to how many paise? That means what? 4/5 into what? 100. That one statement I said that now we know 1 rupee equals to 100%. You write this one in everyone. Okay. Here also you write like this. So in every cases you write like this. Okay, so this one you write we know 1 rupee 100%. Therefore 4 by 5 into 100, how much? 525 jar. Sorry, 520 jar. 520 jar. So it is what? 4 into 20. Okay, it is what? 4 to jar 80%. 80%. So it will be what? 80%. That will be 80. Okay. Now come to question number. So question number D you can do. E also you can do. E is exactly like C. Question number C. Okay. D is exactly like question number B. So what? I am solving only F. 5 by 12 of rupees 60. Goes to rupees how much? All are same. Okay. So 5 by 12 into 60, how much coming? In every case you write rupees. So 5 12 5 jar. So 5 into 5, it is what? Rupees 25. Rupees what? Rupees 25. Okay. So question number 3 finished. Now come to question number 4. So question number 4, what is there? So question number 4, 3 by 5 of a kg. 3 by 5 of a kg. 3 by 5 of a kg equals to what? How many gram? So write this one. 3 by 5 of a kg equals to what? How many gram? So question number 4A, 3 by 5 of a kg that means what? 1 kg goes to what? How many gram? Okay, from everyone I shall solve 2. From everyone I shall what? Solve 2. Okay, all are same. So first you write we know equals to what? We know 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. Okay, 1000 gram equals to what? 1 kg. So what? From kg to gram. So 1000 gram equals to what? 1 kg. We know that one. Okay, because you know this series what? Milli, centi, deci, meter. Okay, meter, liter, gram, all are here in this one. Okay, millicenti, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilo. Okay, so what? From kg to meter, if I go upward, then what? I multiply multiples of 10, and if I come downward, then what? I divide. If I come what? Downward, then I what? Divide. So what? From kilo to meter, from kilo to gram. So gram is here. So here you give 1, 0, 30. So that means what? I need to multiply with what? 30 as I am going upward. So what? As I am going upward, I need to multiply it with what? 1000. Kilo to meter. So kilo, in kilo you give 1, then rest places you fill with what? 0. Then you are getting what? 1000. And you are getting up, that means what? Multiply. That is what? Bigger to smaller multiply, smaller to bigger divide. So it will be what? 3 by 5 into 1000. Okay, it is what? 3 by 5 into what? 1000. Okay, then I shall get into what? Kg. So 5 how many jar? 5 2 jar 10, remain 2 zeros. Okay, so 3 2 jar 6, 3 into 2. You do like this one gram. Okay, Okay, so 3 2s are 600 gram and what gram. Okay, so now come to question number C. So in question number C, what is there? Question number D and C all are same, just I am showing only one. C, 8 by 15 of 60 kg. 8 by 15 of 60 kg equals to what? How much? 60 kg equals to how much? What kg? How much what? How much what kg? So that means what? I need to convert into what? Kg to kg. So no need of conversion, units are same. So just I'll multiply here. In this case what? Whenever you see units are same, here you see here from kg to gram, here again from kg to kg. So units are same, no need of conversion. You just multiply. So you'll get what? Answer. You write what here? Kg. So it will be what? 15 4 jar. So 8 into 4 kg. It will be what? 32 kg. That is the what required answer. 32 kg is the what required answer. Now which question? Let me show question number D. It's a big figure. Let me show it. Question number D. What is there? 4D. What is there in the question? That 69 by 100 of a kg. 69 by 100 of a kg equals to what? Gram. Equals to what? You need to convert into what? Gram. So as like earlier we know 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. Therefore from there what you interchange. Therefore 69 by 100 into 1000 goes to into 1000. Okay, then it get converted into what? Gram. Into 1000 10. So 10 10 10 10. So remain 10. So 69 into 10. Okay, gram. Now it will be 690 gram. If you multiply, then 690 gram. Okay. So next which question? Next, okay, next F left. F, let me show. That is same. 8 by 27 into 81. 8 by 27 into 81. 8 by 27 into what? 81 into 81. It is what? F. 4F. How much kg? That is what here. No need of converting the units. All are same. So 87 by 27 into what? 81. So this one you can divide into what? 3 7 jar, sorry, 3 9 jar 21, 3 9 jar. And what? This one what? 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, 3 2 jar 6, 7 8 remain 7, 27. Okay, now again 9 1 jar 9, 9 3 jar 27. So remain what? Kg. So remain what? 8 into 3 kg. It is what? 24 kg. It is what? 24 kg. Now come to question number 5. 7 by 10 of a kilometer. 7 by 10 of a kilometer. 7 by 10 of a kilometer. From what? Kilometer to what? Meter. Kilometer to meter. So see. So question number question number 5A. 7 by 10 of a kilometer. 5A. 7 by 10 of a kilometer. Km means what? Kilometer. To what? To meter. So from what? Kilometer to meter. So again 1000 divide. Okay. That is what, sorry, multiplication from small to big, multiply. So right, we know 1000 meter equals to what? 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Therefore 7 by 10 into 1000, it will be what? It will be in what? Meter. Okay, so 1010 cancel, remain what? 7 into 10 meter, it is what? 70 meter. It is what? Sorry, 1000, sorry, 10 remain here, sorry, you correct it. 100, it will be what? 700 meter. Okay, 700 meter. Now what? 1 meter, 4 by 5 of 1 meter, 2 centimeter. 1 meter 2 centimeter. So this one you check. So before that one, okay, you see question number. Okay, question number C you see first. Question number B I shall solve. 3 by 16 of 18 kilometer. 3 by 16 of 80 kilometer. 3 by 16 of 80 kilometer. 3 by 16. 3 by what? Question number 5. 3 by 16. Okay, see question number 5B. 5B, what is there? 4 by 5 of 1 meter. 4 by 5 of what? 1 meter equals to what? How many? 1 meter equals to how many centimeter? How much is centimeter? So here you see. So from what? 1 meter to, that is what? Meter to what? Meter to centimeter. So if you keep here 1, then 20. That means what? I need to multiply 100. Okay, I need to multiply what? 100. So write like this. We know that is what? 1. We know what? 100 centimeter equals to what? 1 meter. Therefore 4 by 5 or 4 by 5 into what? 100. It will convert into what? Centimeter. So 5 20s are. So 4 into 20, it is centimeter. So 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. It is what? 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. Now come to question number C. So question number C, what is there? 3 by 16 of 80 kilometer to meter. 3 by 16 of 80 kilometer to again what? Kilometer. 3 by 16. Question number C. 3 by 16 of a 3 by 16 of how many kilometer? 3 by 16 of 80 kilometer. 80 kilometer equals to again to what? Again to kilometer. Okay, 3 by 16 of what? 80 kilometer to what? Again kilometer. So here no need of conversion, as because what? Both are in what? Same unit, kilometer to kilometer. So just multiplication. 3 by 16 into what? 80. Then you write kilometer. 5 jar 16 5 jar 80. So 3 into 5 what? Kilometer. So it is what? 15 kilometer. It is what? 15 kilometer. Okay. Then now come to question number 6. So question number 6, what is there? 11 by 20 of 1 liter equals to how many liter? So write 11 by 20 of 1 liter. 11 by 20 of what? 1 liter. Okay. Eleven by 20 of 1 liter. 6a. 11 by 20 of 1 liter equals to how much? Equals to what? Equals to how much milliliter? Equals to what? How much milliliter? So what? From what? Liter to milliliter. So this is what? Liter. Liter to what? Milliliter. That is 1, then 3 zeros. Okay. All right. We know 11 by we know 1000 milliliter equals to what? 1 liter. So therefore 11 by 20 into what? 1 into 1000. Okay, milliliter. So it is what? 11 by 20 into 1000. Okay, so 10 cancel, remain what? 11 into 100. It is what? Milliliter. So what? 1100 milliliters. It is what? Wait, what I have done? Oh, sorry, this one I can what? Cancel more. 11 by 20 into what? 1000 milliliter. So it is what? 10 cancel. Then 2 50s are 100. So 11 into 50 it is what? 5. 11s are 55 and 1 0. Okay. It is what? Milliliter. Okay. Now come to question number B. 6b. 6b, what is there? 6b, 3 by 14 of 56 L. L means liter, equals to dash liter. So both are same, both the units are same, so no need of what? Conversion. Both the units are same, so no need of conversion. So write 3 by 14 into 56 liter. Okay, 56 liter. So 14 fours are how much? 56. So 3 into 4, it is what? 12. So 12 liter. Okay, 12 liter. Now come to question number C. 1 by 100 of 1 liter. 1 by 100 of 1 liter, and it is the what? Last question for today. 1 by 100 of 1 liter. 1 by 100 of question number 6. Question number 6 C. 1 by 100 of 1 liter. 2 what? Milliliter. 2 milliliter. So what? 2 milliliter. 1 by 100 of 1 liter. Here written 1, that means what? In spelling written 1 liter equals to what? How many milliliter? Okay, so it is what? We know 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter. Therefore 1 by 100 of 1 liter. So it will get change. It will be what? 1 by 100 of 1 into lit. But I need to convert into milliliter, so I multiply 1000. Okay, then what? 1 by 100 into 1000. Okay, milliliter. How? 1 into 1000, that is what? 1000. Now 1 2 zeros, 2 zeros get cancelled, remain what? 1 into 10. 1 into 10 milliliter, that is what? 10 milliliter. That is what? 10 milliliter. So today up to this, and if you find any problem regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.